Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how you can check your watch history in Crunchyroll. Well, this must be one of the easiest thing to do in Crunchyroll. Let's go ahead and start it. Just launch a Crunchyroll. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now let's watch a clip, Fairy Tale. Start watching.
Who are you? Get out of my head!
After the ad, our anime will start
フィオレ
playing.
王国人口1000
Now let's see where we can check that we have watched this fairy tale. Let's go back to our home page first. Home. Now from there is also my list section. Let's select it. So there is watch list, crunchy lists and history. So this is where we find all the animes that we have watched. Alright, fairy tale is the one that we have just watched and it is already in the history. Now we know how to check your watch history in Crunchyroll. Pretty easy, huh? If you found this video helpful, do give this video a big thumbs up, and if you still have any questions or comments regarding checking watch history in Crunchyroll, do leave them in the comment section. We'll get back to you right away. Until next time, bye bye.